I'm gonna be rich from day trading. I'm 17 years old and I haven't earned a single dime yet. I've been documenting my whole journey online, and this is week number 14. I'm trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. If you're just tuning in, if this is your first week with me, make sure you check out my whole series right here because it's a week 14. You got whole 13 weeks to go. I post weekly on YouTube documenting my journey, and I post daily on TikTok and Instagram, day by day trades. So if you want to check that out, make sure you check out my socials and link in the description down below. Here's a recap of my total journey, and here's the recap of last week. Last week, bro, we blown our account, and this week we're starting fresh on the new eval account. I've been blowing accounts left and right, bro, but we just got a new account, so we're gonna be taking good trades and just hopefully running it up. But let's just go ahead and get into it. I just made $0 day trading today, and we ended up taking no trades today. I really couldn't find no good quality setups today. It kind of was one, but I wasn't at my phone at the moment, so we ended up didn't take it. So coming in, I didn't know what to expect. Price was looking bearish, but I wanted price to definitely go up. I was low-key wanted price to reach a London high. I was looking for longs for London high all the way up here, but no setups presented itself for that. So, but a setup did come right here. Boom. Price came, broke below this area, retested it, and then closed below right here. My stop above here, target 1 to 1. This would have hit. I could have took this. This low-key could have been a good trade. I ain't gonna lie. But we is on a fresh eval account. We took no trades on this account. And I ain't gonna lie, lately I've been forcing trades, but now I'm ready, bro. I'm ready to start running it up. Here's why I took no trades today. Coming in the market open, I just didn't know what price wanted to do. And price low key, even if I did know where price wanted to go, we had no good entries, either bullish or bearish. So we just didn't trade at all today. It was none. The market really didn't give none. It's just simple as that. Quick little video today. Market didn't give none to me. I didn't see anything. Market open right here and it just dropped a little bit. Started consolidating a little bit. It low-key did sweep this liquidity right here. This could have been low-key an entry, but I ain't gonna force it. And it's kind of late in the market open, so I ain't gonna force it. We just chilling though. We gonna take this slow and we not gonna force. Cause I'm actually trying to get this payout. I've been selling myself short. I've been forcing trades too much. Here's why we took no trades today. Coming into market open, I was definitely looking bullish, but price didn't just present to me a good quality setup. To get a good quality setup, I need a high time frame confirmation and a lower time frame one. So I need to so if I wanted to enter this trade to the upside, I want to price the sweep London lows or respect the high time frame for value gap. It kind of did it kind of did this tiny one, but I felt like that just wasn't enough. And at the same time, this could have been a good trade. Price respected this 1 minute for value gap. Change and stayed above. And this could have been a good 1 to 1 trade, just targeting quick profits. But again, I didn't have no higher time frame confirmation. And I kind of need that to trade because I'm focused on taking high quality setups now. But at the same time, this is an eval account, so I could take not all A plus setups because this is an eval account. I could just take any type of thing. The price went up all the way to previous high day, and then it just swept this and then continued down lower. We could have been looking for sales to the downside. The price never retraced up in here. Price never reached a 5 minute per value gap or nothing. It kind of just went down and down and down. So we just never ended up trading today. We not gonna force trades. We definitely gonna grow this account casually and stack it up because that's my biggest problem, forcing trades and just trying to focus on the money aspect. I'm focused more so on the execution now. Here's why we took no trades today. This whole week we haven't took any trades, and it's Thursday, and we haven't took any trades this whole week. I just haven't seen the best of setups this whole week, so we just not gonna force any trades for real. But coming in, I didn't really know what price wanted to do for it. I didn't know if I was bullish or bearish. I was just kind of going with the flow, reading price action. But looking at this, just look at this price action right here. Price is just choppy, 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 choppy. No clean setups to the upside or downside until right here. If I zoom in right here, You can see price came down, made a fair value gap right here, and then bullish up candle. If price would have inversed this candle and closed below this line right here, boom, I would have entered to the downside. I would have entered shorts, and we probably could have had a minute. But price just respected it and it went up higher. So then I didn't know what price wanted to do. It was just doing anything. So then I just hopped off the charts and just went on with my day. So again, we had no trade today. And tomorrow we hopefully we can catch a banger trade to start off this eval account because we still at $0. We still didn't trade. Well, not one trade this whole week. 4 days, no trades. But yeah, we definitely not gonna force. We definitely trying to make this money, but because I'm tired of forcing trades and selling myself short. Here's why we took no trades today. Today we took no trades because price didn't inverse this 1 minute fair value gap right here where I wanted to take longs at. I wanted price to target this 4 hour fair value gap at this white line up here, but it never just it didn't inverse this gap right here. Because if it inverses this gap, I would have entered, then I would have had some longs to the upside. But price just consolidated to the downside a little bit, and then later on in the day actually hit what I wanted price to hit. Because that was my target for the day, this higher time frame for 4 hour for value gap. This is my target. As you can see, this is a big imbalance. So I definitely want the price to reach in there. But I just had no setup to present itself. So I'm not too mad at today. Because this day was actually no setup for me to trade. So we just didn't trade. I'm glad we didn't force anything, but this whole week we didn't take no trades. I'm glad we didn't force any trades, but at the same time, I feel like I could be less scary and took some little trades. That wraps up week number 14. I'm trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And this whole week we took no trades. I don't know if it wasn't no good setups or maybe it was just me because we just blew our count last week and I didn't want to take any bad trades. Maybe it's just me being scared. Or maybe it's just no good setup. I don't know yet. And I definitely need some self-reflection. So over the weekend, I'm going to self-reflect. The lesson I learned from this week is I gotta be less emotional. Because when I'm emotional, I tend to take either bad setups or I tend to take no setups at all. When if I just trade my strategy and trade my edge that I back tested it without this mental block up here, then I will actually see results. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out this video right here and subscribe down below. And see y'all in the next one.